migrants have turned his neighborhood into the epicenter of crime and prostitution. He's got the video. You're seeing it. I'm talking about Ramses Frias, who joins me now. You've lived in that neighborhood your entire life. Has it ever been this bad? Tell me.
No. I mean, we've always had our share of issues, but right now things are just running rampant. It's just way too much prostitution, violent crime, and a lot of illegal street vendors that are just setting up shop and, doing this in a lawless nature.
Now, this is AOC, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's neighborhood. That's her area. Where is she?
Never here. Like I said before, she doesn't come and campaign on this side of things. She likes to stay on the nicer side of town. She's never walking around here. You'll never see her, stop in on one of our shops here. She's just never around.
What are the local people saying about this?
Well, the locals are all, they're quiet, but they need their voice. When they come to me, they tell me, look, this is it's horrible right now. We need help. No one's helping us. No one's trying to help us. Local officials turn a blind eye, and constantly they try to reach out to these local officials, and they'll tell them, oh, just send an email. We'll have a meeting, and the meeting never happens. So the outcry from the residents is there.
You're a Democrat turned Republican running for New York State Assembly. Do you think a Republican can win in New York City?
We definitely can. People are frustrated with the way the Democrats have been running things, or not running things, I should say. They're just not representing the people. And it's just become an issue that, where we have to step up now. The Republicans have to, show a strong force and keep pushing forward.
Yeah, make a change here. Ramses, thank you very much for joining us, certainly. We hope to see you again. Tell us what's going on down there. Thank you,
sir. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Now, I'm really going to change